Well, hello again. Just a short note. 8 days from Los Angeles just to get my spark plug wires in my plugs. And notice something. Yep, these look like they're DENSOs. And it appears to have the correct number on them. But there's the funny thing. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but on the back, what's that say? Oh boy. I don't think they're counterfeit because I don't think it would have the DENSO name in Japan on here. But made in China. I checked the gap on all these because I always do. I never trust the gap out of the box. And they're all at 0.025 or 0.026, so adjust them all up to 030 to 031. The quality looks good. They look and feel solid. I don't see any quality problems with the manufacturer of the material or anything, but man, oh man. You order DENSO, you expect Japanese plugs, and you get Chinese. Yeah. They were under $2 a piece from Rock Auto, so that probably should have told me something. And also, the wire set. Parts Master. 5-year, 50,000 mile warranty. Well, yeah, that's what it said on the listing, but these were supposed to be standard motor parts. Invoice here. You can see that. Standard motor parts, STA 29432. Well, 29432. Aftermarket Auto Parts Hawaii in San Antonio. And then it says standard motor products there. I don't know, I guess they're farming stuff out, but Mexican wires. Now, to be fair, I haven't had much problem with any standard parts that were made in Mexico. They have economy lines. And they've been okay. They've done alright, but I see standard motor parts. I expect to see it on the box. Maybe that's silly of me, but that's just what I expect. Excuse me. But I've been hearing forever about the change in auto parts quality and how it's done and where they're made. And so probably just a result of that. But just letting you know, in case you've never seen it before. I'm going to take one of these out of the box here so you can see it. See, it looks nice. The markings on it look fine. So, I don't know. Quality looks good. Don't know what else to say, but just want to put this out there for anybody that hasn't seen it yet or hasn't heard about it. There you go. Going to try to get this stuff installed tomorrow. Got to see what's going on. Weather's always an issue down here in Florida. Never know what it's going to do. Thanks for watching. See you later.